Hello friends, today our topic is static testing and dynamic testing. Let me first explain about static testing. It is a type of software testing method which is performed to check the defect in the software without actually executing the code of the software application. Static testing is performed in the early stage of the development to avoid errors as it is easier to find the source of the failure and it can be easily fixed. The error that can't be found using dynamic testing can be easily found by the static testing. So the example of static testing are code review, walkthrough, etc. Now coming to the dynamic testing, it is a software testing method that is performed by the execution of the code to test the dynamic behavior of the application. It is mainly performed with the help of levels of software testing and other testing type as well. Example of dynamic testing are integration testing, system testing, acceptance testing, etc. So static testing is basically performed by the development team and dynamic testing are performed by the QA team. These are the important types of testing which is generally performed in the documentation and the application layer. The role of static testing and dynamic testing are very important to for the success of the software development.